Hello, I'm John Duncan with Upside Property by way of Excel. You gotta come check out this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home located in Allen Mills subdivision. You are minutes away from Gate 4 on Fort Jackson, I-20 and I-77. Let's go take a look. This home features granite countertops, hardwood floors, a fenced-in backyard, a large mudroom, built-in speakers in the kitchen, and USB ports, and a Blink security system. And the list goes on and on and on. And that's only to name a few. Trust me, you want to come check out this house. Did I mention that the washer, dryer, and refrigerator are included? You gotta come by this house. You can only go up from here.